Hey everyone, welcome back to Crazy Gamer. In this video, we will be learning how to disable clan invites in Golf Clash. To disable the clan invites in the Golf Clash app, first of all, launch the Golf Clash application on your mobile device. From the home page, tap on the gear button at the top left corner. Right after you do that, click on the game button at the top, and then if you want to disable the clan invites on the game, simply toggle off the button right next to receive clan invites and make sure to turn it off. This will help you stop receiving invitations from clans. The setting will prevent random players or clans from inviting you to join. You can still manually join a clan from the clan tab anytime you want, even after this option is turned off. So that's how you easily disable clan invites in Golf Clash. I hope the video was helpful to you. If it was, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I'll see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.